southwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming west-northwest in the afternoon. Seas less than 2 feet along the coast and 2 to 3 feet in the Gulf Stream. Intercoastal waters. Test. The following is a statewide tornado drill as part of Florida Severe Weather Awareness Week. Test tornado warning. Test there is no severe weather occurring at this time. This is only a test. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a test tornado warning for the following counties of South Florida: Broward County, Collier County, Glades County, Henry County, Miami-Dade County, Palm Beach County, until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a test. Repeat. This is a test. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a test tornado warning for all counties in South Florida including Broward, Collier, Glades, Henry, Miami-Dade and Palm Beach until 10:30 a.m. Repeat. This is a test tornado warning. If this were an actual tornado warning, information on the location of the tornado, direction and speed of movement of the tornado and areas that might be affected by the tornado would be included. The message would also include safety actions that you would take to protect your life in a tornado threat. Remember, this is only a test. No severe weather is occurring at this time. For this drill, once you have exercised your tornado safety plan, you may consider the drill to be completed. Repeating. This is the test warning portion of the statewide tornado drill as part of Florida South Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is only a test. Remember, this is only a test. No severe weather is occurring at this time. Repeat, this is only a test. The marine forecast for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida extending from 20 nautical miles to the territorial waters of Bahamas. Issued at 4:02 a.m. Small craft should exercise caution.